Guten Morgen, this is BT. If you want this recipe, go to www.wordswithbennythomas.com/cookbook. Today we're making dumplings. Making dumplings with my mother-in-law here in my house. Pretty exciting. There are five things in the dumplings. 猪肉 pork. 你会说 pork 吗？这个是英文 pork. 鸡蛋 eggs, 2 eggs. 盐 salt, just a little bit of salt. 韭菜 that's this vegetable here, just chopped up. And then the last one is ginger, and just mix it all together. That's our dumpling mix. Sure. These are the skins for the dumpling. Okay, first you gotta get some meat here, put it in your wrap here, then get a little water, put water on both sides, wrap it up, then you fold it like this, fold, finished, and then put it here on the tray. 你很快 so fast. Okay, put it on the dumpling, water on both sides, wrap it, fold it, then fold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 till you get to the very end. Looks just like that. These are perfect dumplings. Perfect. Look at that. We already have one tray full of dumplings. And fold it up. If you look here, you'll see the ones that are really ugly are mine. I made the ugly ones. Alright, we got one full tray of delicious dumplings. We are now going to put them in the freezer so we can keep them for a long time and then slowly eat them over time. Here's our freezer right here. Let's just put that in there. Alright, there we go. We are on our second tray of dumplings. My mother-in-law here is doing awesome. She is just making them so fast and I'm really slow. And I would show you me making them, but I can't make them with one hand. I'll just show you how she makes them. I'm getting better. She's very patient with me. We're gonna have a whole lot of dumplings to eat for the next couple weeks. If you want this recipe, go to www.wordswithbennythomas.com/cookbook.